You know, the topic of security really is to facilitate humanity, it's to make people feel safe and reassured. But if you get that balance wrong, actually it can be an inhibitor.
As architects, as designers, we have a really important role to actually look at the spaces physically, but look at them also psychologically and the social issues and considerations.
In order to make a good society, I think it has to be very human. It has to be close to nature, but it's still being in favor of technical advantages.
The topic freedom and security is really, really relevant for dormakaba, and having that sense of freedom and security, I think, creates spaces of trust.
When new threats occur, if they can be incorporated into the design at an early stage, it makes it so much easier.
Access systems, cameras and barriers are very subjective. Ideally, they're meant to keep things and people out, but they could also be tools for guiding and directing someone.
There's the potential for technology to try to do this thing that seems impossible, which is to offer kind of seamless, invisible security.
It's how people can feel that they can move seamlessly through the building while feeling safe, secure. And that's a key point for dormakaba.
Sustainability and environmental ethics play a huge role in being secure.
If we aim to design buildings and build buildings which are really lasting for a long time, being flexible to be adjusted to future uses, that might be a sustainable way as well to design.
My hope and my vision for the future is that we continue to break down barriers and open up opportunities.
To build on a greater sense of trust and a greater sense of equality and a greater sense of collective values.
We can also see this as a discussion about how we create architecture that kind of brings us closer together as kind of communities and people, so that some of the security measures that we are talking about are less required.
Well, I have 4 kids back home, and I hope, that kind of the good balance between freedom and security that I have been living in, it would be really nice for them really to have something similar or better.
I really believe there are more good people who understand the fragility of society and the importance of protecting it, and engaging those people is our greatest defense.